Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with no wait weather.
Well, you know, we've had light winds, we have clouds out there, but it was a pretty fair day.
I think so.
Yep, and we have more mild temperatures, but a little bit wild weather as well to talk about. Let's get right to what's going on outdoors right now as we head to bed. 21 on the thermometer. Wind picked up a little bit from the south. It's at 11 miles per hour. Here's Fergus Falls. You have 18, feels like 8. Your wind from the south at 7 miles per hour. In Grand Forks, well, maybe even a little bit hazy on the edge of the sky cam there. 8 is what it feels like outside with that south-southwest breeze at 11 miles per hour. Your temperature 20 degrees. As we take a peek elsewhere, we have teens out to the west. Now we have cooler air moving in there. That's primarily because of some clearing taking place. We're seeing things cool off a lot quicker, holding on to near 20-degree readings through the Red River Valley, through Thief River Falls as well, and some mid-teens for places like Wadena and Bemidji as well. The radar showing a mixed bag of precipitation trickery working its way through Saskatoon. It's moving to the south and east, and that this smorgasbord precipitation will be heading in our general direction as we go through the overnight. Now, there are some showers of snow moving in on Brandon. That's in Manitoba. There's your clear skies out to the west that's causing the quick clearing there. And here is a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Overnight, it's quiet for most of it, but by the time we get to daybreak, some of this mixed bag of precipitation will be moving through eastern North Dakota and the Red River Valley. Snow will be light. There could be some light accumulation by that morning drive time. This is paused at 6. By the time you're heading to work at 7:30, a few spots could have a trace to a half of an inch, maybe up to an inch a little later in the morning. There will be some spots that get some freezing drizzle. With morning temperatures in the 20s to near 30 degrees, it will still be slippery, even though temperatures above freezing in some locales. By the mid-morning hours, the snow chances will exit off to the east. Still some snow chances across the Highway 2 corridor in northwest Minnesota as we go through your midday hour. The winds really increase from the west, gusting to 30 miles per hour at times. We'll see maybe a few peaks of sun out in our western counties. In Jamestown, and temperatures there will peak in those 30s, mid-30s as well in portions of Minnesota, but a little bit more cloudiness and a chance for hit and miss. Flakes or flurries of snow or freezing drizzle. Snowfall amounts generally a trace, maybe up to a half of an inch in many locations in northwest Minnesota, but in our far northeastern counties, including Lake of the Woods and northern Beltrami, maybe Roseau, an inch or so possible. Here's a look at the next 24 hours, and we're seeing temperatures overnight rise. We'll see upper 30s in Fargo tomorrow afternoon, but look at those gusty winds. The hairspray will come in handy for your day. Here's a look across eastern North Dakota. Temperatures on your thermometer in the car at about 3 in the afternoon on your way home from work or school will be in the mid and upper 30s. Out to the east, a lot of low to mid 30s, and any chance of snow will be confined for neighbors off to the far east. Frosty trees, something we've seen an awful lot of the past several days, but it's hard to keep frost on trees when temperatures will be above freezing, and that's what we're going to see for afternoon readings on Thursday. Now, it's going to be a windy Wednesday, as we talked about from the west. Not as much wind on Thursday. It could possibly be the most pleasant day to be outdoors. Even though temperatures will be around 38, it looks breezy, and a chance for a light flurry or two of snow. As we go through the weekend, we may see those flurries as well. The best chance of any snow accumulation of a half inch or maybe an inch will be up north, Grand Forks and points north as we head through the weekend. Next week, it will be a little bit cooler, and then we will all introduce our good friend Punxsutawney Phil there next week to have his whatever about how long winter's going to last. And, you know, we can all look at him and giggle just a little bit because, you know,
we know winter will keep on going.
Yeah, it's here to stay. So.
Yeah. All right.
For a while.
I like him.
You like that rodent guy?
Yeah.
Hey, nice tie.
Thanks. Cooler temps might also mean slicker roads. Later on Valley News Live 10 at 10, the best vehicles to keep you and your families safe.
But first, what experts say pregnant women should do that could make a big difference to both them and their baby.